When you have an open house, there may be people that are ready to make an offer. And then there are people that are there to gather information. They may be potential buyers, future sellers, or curious neighbors. It's a great opportunity to convert the potential buyers and sellers into leads. To capture more leads, we recommend that you place QR code flyers at the open house and offer information about this property or other relevant information. You can generate QR code flyers with our platform and place at the entrance, the exit, or around the house. You can direct your visitors to the property details page, or offer to email them a floor plan, comps, the sale history of the house, or other relevant info. Visitors can scan the QR code at their leisure. As visitors start to use the QR code, others will notice that they can scan to receive more information. Using a QR code means that multiple people can sign in at the same time. After visitors scan the QR code, they'll see a page with more information about the property. And then they'll be asked to sign in. With other services, visitors need to type in their name and email, and it's easy to make a mistake. With us, they have the additional option of signing in with their Google or Facebook accounts, so there's no need to type. Because it's so easy to sign in, you'll be able to collect more contacts. Another feature that makes us different is that our auto emails allow attachments. You can have the visitors receive an automatic email with the information attached while they are still at the open house. Or you can direct them to a web page. Sending your visitors information automatically means you'll have less emails to send when you return to your office. While you are at the open house, you'll see the contacts on your dashboard right away. And the contacts are automatically tagged so that later, you'll know which property they are interested in. If a contact has signed in at another property, you'll see it on your dashboard. You can also use the QR code on your property flyers and offer information that doesn't fit on the flyer, like a floor plan or more images. Another good place for a QR code flyer is at for sale signs, so visitors can scan to receive a digital copy of the flyer when the paper flyers run out, or be redirected to the property details page. You can use our full-featured contact management system to manage your contacts. If you had a conversation with a visitor, and let's say they are looking for a house with a pool, you can add it to their profile. You can also send emails from our system, including automated emails that visitors receive after scanning the QR code. You can see the percentage of emails that visitors have opened or clicked, and much more. If they are not interested in buying or selling right away, you can schedule periodic automated emails from our system, or export the contacts to your CRM. Hoursmap costs much less than other paid services. And unlike the free services, we do not show ads, and we don't share open house visitor info with third parties. Sellers get to see a list of potential buyers, buyers get their info right away, and you save time and get leads. Try it free for 30 days, and renew for only $7.50 per month. And grow your sales funnel.